Hello again, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to me. I missed you a lot. I know you missed me too. I was doing some things that I couldn't be here, but from now on, we're going to do the plan and go as planned as we can. Mondays are for the market to understand if it's going to be a dump or pump, bearish or bullish. We are going to analyze everything. So let's go and start. The first thing that we have is actually Bitcoin chart. In the Bitcoin, we can see that we had a little bit of reaction to this level. If we manage to actually go to this level and then bounce back, yes, we're going to be bullish. But if not, then we might actually continue the bearish momentum, as we can see in the RSI and the MA and EMA. Actually, all of the charts and indicators that we can and are helping us. If in a daily basis we're not that much bad, we actually had a shadow, which is a good sign. If we go back to this part again, we're going to stick to this place for a long time, and it might get a little bit boring. But the bad news is the long term actually trend line has been broken. But as what we expect in the actual Bitcoin and also the total market, these trend lines are going to have a retracement to them. So we might go back to them for once and then try to actually do the rest of the bearish momentum. So for now, we're safe, but nobody knows what is going to happen. As I mentioned every day, we're not 100% sure. The signals that I tell you are not, 100% accurate. Yeah. So you have to do money management, do risk management, and everything so that you will be safe. And everybody, everybody that is telling you, okay, we are 100% win rate. No, 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 that doesn't exist. I'm saying this for sure, and you have to believe that it's true. I haven't seen one single person with 100% win rate, but everybody is buying Ethereum. A lot of companies are buying Ethereum, and as we might see, actually, we can have a bounce in the total 3 market. You see, it is excluding Ethereum, but Ethereum, if it goes higher, then all of the other altcoins will go higher too. So we are a little bit open to that, optimistic to that. As you can see, the RSI is showing us the signs as well. And let us see what else is left. It is the USCT. USCT was a little bit of rejection from here, which was a good thing. For holders, for those ones who were actually in the long position. But after some time, it actually had a reaction to this area, which is again a level of support. So if we manage to break this, yes, people are going to buy more. And as I mentioned in actually last night's chart, you have to consider all of the on-chain data as well, because those are important for us too. And Ethereum, it's not doing bad. Everything is good for the Ethereum, but let's go actually there. So let's go to Ethereum Bitcoin. This chart is showing us something. What? After some time, after some actually going down and up, it's getting like this. It's like a wave, guys. The wave, when it comes, it goes like this, and then it turns out smaller and smaller, and it turns out like this in the end. So it goes like this. So when actually we reach this area, when it's a complexity, we don't know which way we're going to go. But if a breakout happens, it's going to be sharp from here or here. It's going to be a really sharp move. So we assume that it's going to go up because RSI is showing us and all the other indicators are in benefit. But maybe because of the long term, actually, if we manage to look at the daily time frame, as we can see, we had a retracement. But might be this retracement after some time is just the 50 level of the Fibonacci. If we manage to actually go higher this level, yes, the bullish momentum continues, the pump continues, and Ethereum Bitcoin is presenting Ethereum and all the other altcoins. But the actually era for Bitcoin is over. All the other altcoins are actually reacting really well. They have good backgrounds, they have good actually projects, they have good managers, and all of them are promising. So don't you go just pay attention and focus on Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin is actually moving with everything that we uh, have seen in the market with the fundamental actually analysis and with technical analysis, and it moves all the other things as well. But after some time, it's going to get old news. So we must pay attention to the newer things always and every time. But there are some coins that I mentioned for the spot. Uh, we have to take this actually correction as a chance to buy more, and not buy more, I mean, not more than 5% of your capital. Anything that I introduced, for example, if I told you 5% of your capital, you have to buy 1% at one level, 1% at another level, and 1% at another level. So you actually survive. And there were some friends who said I bought $500 and the whole capital of them was $1,000. So you made a mistake, my friend. Why? Because it's 50% of your capital. 50% in just one coin is insane. It's madness. So don't do that. And please pay attention to the things that I tell you. And from now on, you're going to be profitable, and crypto and forex and the market is going to be wonderful to you. And what happened with Donald Trump? This actually correction was because people thought we don't have actually much more. The interest rate is not going to go down, but Donald Trump actually bought the municipal bonds, and with that happening, we are going to have a little bit of getting down the not correction, but what we can say lowering the interest rates. So actually, Trump is waiting for that, because if you buy the bonds right now and you actually sell them in the future, you would have a huge profit if the interest rates are lower. So we're doing that, and we're hoping on that, and everybody is hoping on that. Because of that, the market is seeing another momentum upward as well. So we will wait and see what happens, because Bitcoin is not showing us signs. Yes, the volume is down, everything is down, because everybody is uncertain. Nobody knows what is going to happen, so they don't buy and don't sell. They wait and wait so that we will have a foundation, and then we will go up. So as I mentioned in the previous videos as well. But if you have any questions, ask me anytime, and looking forward to see you soon again. Take care of yourself, and goodbye until then. Have a nice day.